Hey everybody, Kensurfs here, and we're back in the shave den. It's Wednesday, the work day's over. I hope you're doing good. I hope you're staying safe. I'm waiting for a prop for my GoldenEye shave to arrive from Germany, and it's en route. It's just taking a little while to get here. So I am going forward with a much requested and much anticipated shave with a couple of new products from Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements, and this is the Gold Label. And this is an homage to Creed's Royal Mayfair, which I guess was originally created for the Duke of Windsor decades ago. And now we have an homage available. And I gotta tell you, it smells pretty good, right? Right out of the container. It's got British gin, what is this, Scottish Highland pine, there's roses, orange, cedar, eucalyptus. I'll have the whole list of scent profile inside the description of this video, along with links to the site if you want to go visit them. But this particularly smells good. Soap smells good, but oh man, that really hits it out of the park. So I'm looking forward to trying that today. I'm going to be using one of my favorite, if not the favorite, razor in my collection, the Mercure 34G. And we're going to use it with a Wilkinson Sword Gillette. That's the saloon pack from India. Some people say, hey, I'm getting them from China. That's the look you want to get. That's the ones from India. I don't know if you want to read that on the back, but I'm always getting asked that question. So we are going to load that blade into the Mercure. How is your day going? How is your week going? We're officially halfway over now. It's hot out there. I was out in the field most of the day today for work. I was out, I'm a civil engineer and I initiate safety improvement projects, and 6 of them are out there going on right now, and I got to go visit all of them, signal improvement jobs, find out what was going on. It was interesting. And the only reason I mention it is because there was a young lady there, an engineer, a boss. One of the bosses was out there, and she said, hey, I watch your channel. Go figure. So you never know how many of you are watching my channel. I truly appreciate it, and I truly appreciate your subscriptions. Without the subscriptions growing, I don't think we would be as big as we are right now, obviously. All right, so we've got the blade loaded. I'm gonna wet the face. I'm going to use a restored Ever Ready brush, the C40. This is the one I actually did a video on the restoration. It was a beater at first, and now it's one of my go-tos. All right. Yeah, very hot out there. Visited several cities: Whittier, La Habra, Anaheim, Buena Park. Drove through Westminster and Garden Grove, but I ended up back in Huntington Beach. So six projects out there. All right. I'm gonna wet this up a little more. Yeah, I hope your week's going good. Hope you are all staying very safe. And it's good to be back here with you. Believe me, I enjoy this. This is one of the most relaxing portions of my day. By the way, this stuff is pretty thick. See that? Pretty thick. And I probably shouldn't have done that, because now it's all over my hands. You guys that want to make that, look at that thick lather. You can't go wrong with PAA soaps. I was going to go visit their facility, as I mentioned in one of the other videos this year, for their Big Shave Southwest, and I never had a chance. Met Doug many times, but I'd like to go see where all of this is made and sold. Also, Razor Emporium. I'd like to go see how they're restoring some of those old vintage Gillette razors. I was going to do that this year too, but there's always next year. All right. By the way, very slick. There you go. I'm dripping down my arm onto a piece of plastic on the ground. Cut myself pretty good there. Didn't notice it. I was talking to you. I should have used the alum block last time, so I think this time I'll use the alum block if I get a cut, even a mild one. Man, it's sure great reading your comments, and they come from all over the world, which is just fantastic. I get to learn a little bit about you, what the temperature's like out there, what the COVID situation is. It's always nice hearing from you. I do appreciate it. I am looking forward to using that Gold Sensor XL razor in the GoldenEye video. Like I said, I'm waiting for a prop. Bought it from Germany. It says shipping will be 18 days. Good luck. It's been over a month, but it's on the way. I do believe it is almost here. All right, my skin is super soft now. To be honest, I can quit right now, but I got soap in my nose. But we won't. We'll do one more pass. I'm gonna wet a little more. Does smell good. All right. Second pass across the grain. Hear the feedback? It doesn't look like I have any cuts yet. The worst part is when you cut yourself pretty good, and then as it's healing, you cut it again. You cut it again. Finally, you give up for about a week until it heals. I try to give 2 videos a week. Sometimes there's more, sometimes there's less, but usually 2 on average. So yeah, I gotta make sure I'm not cut. And I rinse with cold water. It closes up the pores. Man, it's so deep in the ear. Look at that. Get out of there. Still got soap in there. No cuts. You know what though? I've got it out. Might as well use it. Use the Allen block. Oh, that's tightening them up. The pores. Multiple messages coming in on the phone. How come this guy wears 2 watches? Well, I don't. I wear my phone. This is my watch. Someone calls that a Schwarzkopf. They said General Schwarzkopf during the first Gulf War in '91 used to wear 2 watches just to make sure he was always on time. Kind of cool. All right. Oh, wow. What a burn. What a nice scent. All right. That's why I like these videos. I get a chance to try them. You get to see them. I didn't rehearse this. I'm using this soap for the first time. I'm using this aftershave for the very first time. I didn't get any cut. It smelled great. It did good for me. Great for me. If it works good for you guys, that's on you. If you guys want to purchase them, that's on you. I just want to show you and let you know how it did for me. And I appreciate you watching for that fact. I don't work for Phoenix Shaving or any of the other companies. Although I'd like to work for Gillette, because then I would say, man, bring back the Black Beauty, bring back the Fat Boy, bring back the Slim Adjustable. But I don't think they'd listen. Procter & Gamble, right? All right, everybody. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please stay safe, and I look forward to seeing you in another shave video very soon. Bye for now.